Hello and welcome back to our introduction to AI programming with Lovable. This is Risks and Guardrails. Artificial intelligence tools like Lovable empower rapid and efficient app development, but with great power comes critical responsibilities. Understanding and managing risks associated with AI generated code is essential for every developer or designer. Without proper attention, projects built with AI tools might inadvertently include security flaws, mishandle sensitive data, or trust incorrect outputs due to model inaccuracies. This final video will explore key risks associated with AI-driven development, such as incorrect outputs known as hallucinations, and common security pitfalls like data leakage or mishandled credentials. More importantly, we'll learn how to effectively manage these risks by utilizing Lovable's built-in guardrails and following best practices for secure AI usage. With this essential awareness, you'll confidently harness the speed and ease of AI-assisted development without sacrificing safety, security, or quality in your projects. Our instructions say, when finished watching the video, click Next. Now let's go ahead and play this.
When working with powerful AI platforms like Lovable, developers and designers must stay alert to certain inherent risks. One common issue is the potential for AI models to produce incorrect or misleading outputs, sometimes called hallucinations. Always verify and review AI generated code and content carefully before deploying your project publicly. Another significant concern involves data security and privacy. Improper handling of sensitive credentials or environment variables can lead to data leakage, exposing your project or organization to serious security risks. To mitigate these issues, Lovable provides built-in guardrails designed to prompt secure handling of sensitive data, but users must still maintain active vigilance. Finally, responsible use of AI-generated tools means understanding the platform's limitations clearly. Regularly reviewing Lovable's security guidelines, closely inspecting generated outputs, and thoughtfully managing sensitive information ensures you'll maximize efficiency without compromising safety. Staying mindful and proactive allows you to fully leverage Lovable's capabilities safely and confidently.
Like it's explaining here, the risk of hallucinations is a real possibility. There can be data leakage through improper handling of credentials. There's always these security considerations for AI generated code, and understanding platform guardrails and limitations is important to be able to catch these things. So being really familiar with best practices is going to be key to making sure your app stays safe.